global warming is causing lots of damage to our environment. The temperatures are rising, and because of that, two major things are happening. One is the flood, and the other one is the landslide. Look behind over here. Some time back, this used to be a village. There was a village, people living here, there were farmlands, and there were fruit trees here. Today you can see nothing. Why? Because lots of heavy torrential rains and the glaciers melting up on the top has caused floods, and those floods brought with them lots of water and these heavy stones, these boulders that you see behind me, and that wiped out a whole village. That is one thing that is caused by heavy floods, which is caused by global warming. The other thing happening is the landslide. You see all these rocks coming from the top, and they have literally destroyed this road. Can you imagine that all these stones coming from the top have destroyed a solid carpeted road that used to exist in this place? Now there is nothing. So what is causing all this? Global warming. Global warming is increasing the temperature of our planet, and once the temperature rises, the ice, the glaciers way up on those mountains melt at a rapid speed, and once they melt, they bring with them lots of water and rocks and boulders, and they are wiping out villages after villages. Thank you.